Welcome to Fashion Reel Channel. As always, this is the place all things fashion. Step into a world where style meets creativity. Here we showcase the latest fashion trends, timeless looks, and tips to make every outfit a statement. From streetwear to high fashion, we're here to inspire your style journey. Hit that subscribe button and join the Fashion Reel family today. Fashion for ladies is ever-evolving, blending timeless elegance with modern trends. This season, bold colors, oversized blazers, and statement accessories are taking center stage. Flowy maxi dresses, structured co-ords, and chic denim styles offer versatility for any occasion. Comfort meets style with relaxed fits, breathable fabrics, and trendy sneakers. Sustainable fashion is also making waves, with eco-friendly materials and ethical brands gaining popularity. Whether it's classic minimalism or bold, expressive styles, women's fashion continues to celebrate individuality and confidence. Stay stylish, stay authentic, and embrace the trends that make you feel your best.